Hi everyone, this is Simran from Pink and Lime. Hope you all had a lovely Diwali season. We are back soon after Diwali to make the festivities last longer. Today we have some ready to wear fusion pieces, Indo-Western pieces which you can shop comfortably sitting at home. And the best part, they're very pocket friendly. So let's get started. The first style that we have is a repeat of our hot seller shirts. These are chiffon based shirts which has really smart handwork which has been done on the collar as well as on the cuff of the shirts. They have these pearl detailing. We have three colors which are ready in stock: a soft lavender color, a dark wine color with same kind of embroidery on the collar as well as on the cuff of the shirt, and a nice pink color, a rose pink sort of a color. These shirts are available in sizes 40, 42, 44 and priced at $14.95 only. We keep talking about these tulip pants that you can team these shirts with. So today we've got those tulip pants also to show you. So these shirts can be teamed with these smart tulip pants which are on imported sand wash fabric. The fabric has a nice luster sheen to it. It has these nice drapes that have been done. It's a front belt and back elastic kind of a style, so sizes won't be an issue, and we have an XL, double XL size that's available. So you can team them as a two-piece coordinate with any colored shirt and these kind of tulip pants. The price for these tulip pants is $21.50 and we have two colors available in them. A nice grey, rich grey and a mouse color. The next style that we have for today is the style that I'm wearing. It's a smart Pakistani coordinate in georgette fabric with this georgette short length kurta. It has these mirror work embellishments on the cuff as well as on the front of the kurta. The mirror work is also teamed with nice delicate pearl work. It is teamed with straight fit Pakistani pants in a stretch fabric. It has a nice four-way stretch to it with this kind of lace detailing. This particular coordinate is priced at $23.95. Sizes 40, 42 and 44 is available. Can easily be altered to small and extra small. Particular style, we have one more color available which is a soft grey. It looks nice on all English and deep colors. Sizes 40, 42 and 44 priced at $23.95. The next style that we have is again a Pakistani coordinate. It's a beautiful georgette kurta with this sort of sleeve detailing. It has an elastic band on the side. There is beautiful handwork which has been done on it with applique, sequence work, pearl work. It has a layer on layer kind of look to it and it is teamed with straight fit Pakistani pants. The pants will also have very smart scallop and button detailing on them. This is a four-way stretch fabric. Sizes available are 40, 42 and 44 and also available in this salmon pink color with similar kind of tone on tone embroidery embellishments. This particular style is priced at $26.95. Size 40, 42 and 44 is available. The next style that we have is another smart Pakistani coordinate with beautiful intricate embroidery. It has these smart pearl detailing with thread work. These kind of embellished flowers that have been placed all over the embroidery. It has these kind of bell sleeves with crochet lace work, pearl detailing and thread work, and is teamed with straight fit Pakistani pants. None of these Pakistani pants are simple. They all have smart detailing. So this one is teamed with printex, scallop and this sort of pleating with the lace. This particular style is available in two colors. A very rich mustard color with same kind of embroidery. You can see the embroidery up close, and a soft grey color. Priced at $26.95 only. Sizes 40, 42 and 44 are available. The next style in this Indo-Western collection is this smart peplum style, high and low kind of pattern. There's a different kind of hemline to it. It has these nice smart detailing. It's on a beautiful imported Georgette fabric. It has this sort of a handwork. You can see the hand embroidery up close. There is pearl detailing. There is sequence work. It's a nice assortment of colors to make it stand out. It has these pleating in the front, and it is teamed with this sort of pants. So it's a two-piece quad set. This is available in 3 colors, priced at 3295, and the sizes that are available are 40, 42 and 44. It can easily be altered to a small or an extra small. Let me show you the other 2 colors. So the style that I showed you is also available in these 2 more colors. This is a nice blue, an electric blue with this sort of embroidery, and a rich mustard color. The color assortment on the embroidery makes the style stand out. Priced at 3295, sizes 40, 42 and 44 is available. It's a 2-piece cord set. The next style that we have is an ombre shaded, stunning Pakistani coordinate with beautiful hand embroidery, very delicate kardana work, pearl detailing and thread work. It's a gradation of white to a soft pastel blue. You can see the embroidery up close. There is thread work detailing, there is kardana work. It has these sort of bell sleeves. The sleeves also has the same kind of ombre detailing on them with thread work, sequence work all over. This particular style is teamed with straight fit Pakistani pants in that stretch fabric, and the pants also has smart handwork detailing onto them. You can see the neck also. The neck has this sort of pleating with powder blue kind of detailing on it. This particular style is available at 3295. Sizes 40, 42 and 44 are available. The next style that we have is another cord set in imported Georgette fabric with this sort of handwork detailing on the neck. It's got a Peter Pan kind of a collar with nice embellishments, kardana work, metallic embroidery which has been done on it. It has these straight sleeves and a cute little bow detailing in the front. This is teamed with straight fit pants and is a 2-piece coordinate. This particular style is also available in 1 more color. So this is the other color, that's a Turk blue color and same kind of embroidery and a 2-piece cord set. This is priced at 2995. Sizes that are available are size 40, 42 and 44. A nice pink and a Turk blue color. The next style that we have is another smart cord set with this sort of a embellished hand embroidered neckline with all metallic, silver and gold kind of metallic work which goes all the way till the back. It has these ruffle kind of sleeves to it and this sort of a front V placket, and it is teamed with an embellished belt in the front. This is teamed with straight fit pants in the same kind of fabric. This particular style we also have in 1 more color. This is available in a nice sunny mustard shade with very smart embroidery detailing on the neck and similar embroidered belt with it. The belt is fully embroidered all the way till the back and very smart handwork detailing. This is priced at 3495. Sizes 40, 42 and 44 is available. The next style that we have is another smart coordinate. It's a cord set which has this sort of drape sleeves on one side, a straight sleeves on the other side, this sort of handwork detailing in the front and a hand embroidered belt on the waistline. The belt goes all the way till the back and is adjustable through buckles. It is teamed with straight fit pants in the same kind of fabric. And this particular style is priced at 3295. Sizes that are available is 40, 42 and 44. The next style that we have is again a very smart two-piece coordinate. It is an asymmetrical kurta in chinon chiffon fabric with beautifully embroidered neckline and kardana work. Similar kind of embroidery which runs on the sleeves of the kurta. You can see how intricate and nice the embroidery looks. And it is teamed with straight fit palazzo pants. White palazzo pants in the same chinon chiffon fabric with chota booty or embroidered work which has been done on it. This is available in two colors. There's a wine color and there's a nice green color. The embroidery which runs on the sleeves also runs on the asymmetrical hemline of the kurta. Price for these coordinates is 3995 and it's available in a free size. Can easily be altered to a 42-44 size. Style that we have is a repeat of 3 designs which we got multiple orders on, and unfortunately we were not able to fulfill so many orders, so they were out of stock, but now they're back in stock, all 3 of them. So this is a Pakistani coordinate in white. It's a very elegant piece and can never go out of style. It has this lace detailing, thread embroidery which has been done on the sleeves with pleating. Similar kind of lace work and thread embroidery which has been done on the neck. And very smart thread work and pleating and lace work which has been done on the ghera of the kurta. This is teamed with straight fit Pakistani pants, and the pants will also have lace work and pleating at the bottom. This set also comes with a chiffon dupatta which has a 4-sided border to it. The price for this is 2250. Sizes available is L, XL and XXL. Another repeat that we've got is for this grey Pakistani coordinate with these sort of sleeves, crochet work which has been done in the front. A lot of you have already seen this style in our previous video, but we're explaining it again for somebody who's watching the video for the first time. It is teamed with a nice dupatta with 4-sided lace work and this sort of Pakistani pants to it. This particular style is priced at 2795. Sizes available are L, XL and XXL. Those were all the styles that we had in store for today. To place an order, please take a screenshot and WhatsApp on 9811315915, or you're more than welcome to visit our store in Lajpat Nagar. We'll be back soon with more styles. Till then, bye-bye.